Hey everybody, my name is James. I got my videographer Regina back there, and I just bought one of these Oklahoma Joe smokers. And so I'm gonna do an instructional video. This is my first time using it, so let's see how this works. So I put it together, I followed the instructions, I put it together. And last night, my wife and I, we seasoned the grill, meaning we followed the instructions. We put the charcoal in, we lit it, and we just let it ride for like 3 hours. The instructions said 2, but it was so hot, we just let it kept going. So today, we're gonna smoke some ribs. So, I'm gonna put my applewood charcoal in here, about 2 pounds. Now, in the instructions for putting this together and smoking it, it says do not use an accelerant, like don't use lighter fluid. So you should use one of these little starter bricks. Now, Joe, Oklahoma, hey, they have their own starter bricks, but I couldn't get the Navy Exchange to buy one. So I got one of these Kingsford starter bricks, and I got one of these little wicker things to help the fire accelerate. So it's time to light the fire. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this get hot. We're gonna let this start up, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put my grates on, and then we're gonna put our ribs on, and then we're gonna smoke them. We'll be right back. So while we waiting for the smoker to get hot, my assistant here, she's going, say hey.
Hey.
Happy Juneteenth.
Happy Juneteenth.
She's gonna get the ribs ready. So what she's gonna do, she's gonna open that.
Okay.
And you're gonna lightly pour it. Okay. And pour it on the other one. Okay, that's enough.
All right.
So flip it over.
Flip them over?
We'll rub it in first.
Yeah.
Lightly.
Here.
And flip it over. And lightly pour it on both sides. All right, that's enough. And rub it in.
Okay, is that good?
Is that good? Oh, that's great, honey.
I'm ready.
Okay, now what you gonna do?
I'm gonna pour this on here. Rub it.
Rub it. All over. Pour.
Or I need some more.
Don't be shy. You can use all of it. All right, that's good. Flip it over.
Okay.
All right. So now we're gonna take it into the house. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator for an hour until this gets hot. Okay?
Okay.
And then we'll be right back, right?
Yep.
So the moment we've been waiting for. The grill is at 300. Ah, it's got some stuff on it. When it was at 400, we decided to throw some chicken and some pork chops up there. So we're gonna slide that up there. So I don't want the temperature to go down, so I'm gonna regulate the temperature by closing the vent a little bit. I want it to stay in the 300, 250 range. So we're gonna come back in about 2 hours and we're gonna see where we at then. Hey,
Yeah.
so your ribs, the finished product.
Mm-hmm.
And that's your rib. It looks kind of juicy.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you think?
I think it's gonna be good.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye.